Alright, you guys, there's something I've been wanting to do for a while now, and that is put an airbag underneath a running lawnmower and detonate it. So, there's not a lot to explain. Let's get to it. I'm using this airbag from a Dodge Neon SX 2.0. This is it. I chose this because of its low profile. And it'll stick into the ground pretty good, and probably, hopefully, avoid the blade. Let's see. Yeah, it's not touching. I think we'll be okay. Let's get to it. Alright, I lifted the mower up as high as it'll go. I got the airbag underneath there, kind of stomped into the ground. Everything's wired up. My battery is just behind the camera here, so let's fire this thing up. See what happens. It stopped it instantly. Doesn't look like any damage. No problem. Nice. Well, that wasn't very exciting. It stopped it instantly, just as I kind of figured it would, but I thought maybe we'd damage the engine or the lawnmower, but no. Fired right back up. Blade's not bent or anything. Didn't shake. Well, she lives for another stunt.